institutions of higher education are the absolute best places for young people to figure out how do you have those dialogues? How can you get from being polarized? How, we've become such a divided society where we, are much more comfortable with our own echo chambers than we are reaching across and understanding other people's perspectives. So we just try to have dialogue. We try to invite our students to step back from, their own perspectives and engage in real dialogue, because we don't do that much as a country. I think we also want to make sure that, young people understand how to listen, because we're so uh, ready to give an answer before we've actually listened to the other person. We've got our statement ready before, and not really listening. So how do you actually listen to somebody else's perspective? And I think third is really, so what do you want to accomplish? Um, we all feel good about stating our positions and feeling, we emotionally get our positions out there. But at the end of the day, what do you really want to happen? And are you helping move forward an issue, or are you just emotionally satisfied by stating your perspective? And, I think the biggest thing we try to get our students to understand is that if you actually care about an issue, it's more important to listen, understand somebody else's perspective, and figure out where you can find common ground so that you can start that dialogue. You don't start dialogue from, I believe this and you believe that, and we're on opposite sides. You start a dialogue around the things that matter to both of you. Can we accept that we believe that the sanctity of human life is important? Do we believe that all lives matter equally? Is that important? And can you start from positions of agreement and then start having that dialogue if you really want to have an impact?